have a solution to tell you about. It's really cool and solves a problem that affects millions of people.
The World Health Organization estimates that 80% of amputees live in low-income countries, yet only 5% of these amputees have access to prosthetic care.
Together, we can change this.
It's our mission to make upper limb prosthetics available to amputees in the developing world. And we're starting with Guatemala and Nepal. After years of development, and with an award from Grand Challenges Canada in 2014, we've developed a truly capable, custom-fitted, 3D printed prosthetic hand. It's undergoing field trials in Guatemala right now.
Of course, a hand is nothing without an arm. We use 3D laser scanning to capture the shape of limbs to create a custom socket for each amputee.
A new prosthesis can cost more than $3,000 to fit in Guatemala. The Victoria hand costs less than $100 in materials and can be fit by a professional for just $320.
Our partners are key to this solution. By partnering with the Range of Motion Project in Guatemala and the Nepal Orthopedic Hospital in Nepal, we have the ability to reach those in need. Now this is where we ask for your help. Each $47,000 that we raise creates a fully equipped print center with 3D printers and a laser scanner, trains and employs a local resident to make prosthetics for their fellow community members, and trains a local clinician to fit amputees with the Victoria hand prosthesis.
Traditionally, prosthetics are very expensive to research and develop, to deliver, and also very difficult to get to the communities in which most amputees reside in the world. That's the promise of 3D printing. With it, we'll be able to design, fabricate, and deliver usable, cost-effective prosthetic solutions exactly in the communities that need them most.
Nepal being a developing country, the prosthetic and orthotic care is very basic, and the good ones are very expensive. So if we have this center here in Nepal, with the 3D printer and the scanner, it is going to be an affordable and very useful project for Nepal.
Built by people in developing countries, for people in developing countries, bringing money to and keeping money in local economies, and introducing new, life-changing technologies like 3D printing to the developing world. $94,000 makes print centers for Zacapa, Guatemala and Kathmandu, Nepal a reality. If we can exceed this goal, we'll move on to our second phase, working to expand our reach to Cambodia. The design is ready. Our partners are ready. We just need your help.
We are a group of entrepreneurs that studied manufacturing techniques and the body's electrical system to help those with limited mobility improve their work and recreational lives through our devices called integration units, which are 100% based on user experience. Based on feedback from 25 users, we provide specific features, extremely light and high resistance for use in active sports. Customized to fit the limb, an inner removable layer with antibacterial properties, made without metal and waterproof, adjustable socket that protects the amputee's limb, easily exchangeable prosthetics without tools to quickly adapt to new environments and activities, including bionic functionality for optimal performance. Our work goes beyond limb replacements. We create exostructures, 100% customized, in carbon fiber composites for different conditions, such as Charcot-Marie tooth condition, hyperflexion or knee restrictions, and other lower and upper limb conditions. Also, our fully flexible wrist exostructure is one of our many designs based on user experience that we have in development. With a modular design, our products are based in a circular economy for the recycling of inner part. Built with a 3-layer structure, the outer layer is customized for the limb. The intermediate layer absorbs the weight and maintains the integrity of the unit, including the electrical mechanism. And an inner layer that is easily removed with antibacterial properties to reduce exposure to infections. With our headquarters in Chile, it is not necessary for you to be close to us. We are establishing alliances all across the region. Regardless of where you are, you can log into our system, request the product service that you want, select the payment method, and our closest engineering or rehab center ally will take your order. They will reach out to you to fetch your biometric data, either at their place or yours, and upload the information into our system, where we will design and manufacture the unit in a few days, shipping it back to the responsible center for installation and orientation. There are two payment methods. The first method includes an initial installment to create the unit and the rest paid on delivery. The second option is the service and product system, which gives the client access to the unit and a suite of services for a small monthly fee. We also have a social responsibility program for those in need. We developed our products based on the needs and wishes expressed by those most affected. Our clients' needs are for a lifetime and will not be sorted out by just a standard prosthetic. We arrived to grow and remain with you all along your experience.
My father-in-law has frequent incidents of skin breakdown due to the heat and sweat. It's painful and takes weeks to recover.
The sweating and the heat, it's so intense, it's debilitating.
My 13-year-old daughter suffers with blisters, heat rash, and skin irritation from wearing her leg. We wish there was a solution to the heat.
I've asked my prosthetist so many times over the years if there's a solution to the problem of heat and sweat in my socket. He says, not yet.
Gary Walters. I am the Manager of Operations and Logistics for Lido Solutions Incorporated. In 2005, while serving in Iraq with the U.S. Army, I was involved in a roadside bomb attack. This was a very massive bomb, and I ended up with severe injuries. These injuries led me to end up having my leg amputated. While receiving my leg was a great day, after wearing it for a short while, I realized there are problems and limitations that come with this. For me, one of the biggest issues is discomfort from heat and the buildup of sweat.
Hi, my name is Justin Stoltz, the Regional Sales Manager for Lido Solutions, Inc. One of the problems when a patient wears a prosthesis is that the muscle remaining on the residual limb will generate heat during regular activity. Now, this heat, since it's now trapped inside the socket, will continue to build up and cause the individual to sweat. Now, aside from being extremely uncomfortable, the sweat can cause serious medical side effects. For example, painful friction blisters, ulcer, and even secondary infections. Our product, the Aqualonics Prosthesis Cooling System, is the very first product of its kind to address the real issue of heat. Now, the Aqualonics Prosthesis System uses an innovative thermoelectric cooling method to dissipate heat from within the socket and actually cool the area.
Hi, I'm Becky Ariana, President and CEO of Lido Solutions. Since we formed our company last year, we've hit a number of very successful key milestones. We've completed the design of our product, we've built a working and usable prototype, we've filed a number of patents, and we're seeing strong traction in the market. We've been featured in a number of articles and publications. Earlier this year, we competed in a competition sponsored by Rice University and were named one of the top 10 life science companies in the state of Texas. In addition, ABC News did a story on us which featured Gary. We need your help. With the funding that we hope to receive from this campaign, we will build additional prototypes for use by amputees, secure our FDA registration, and prepare for market launch. If we exceed our goal, all additional funds will go to accelerating our plan to bring our product to market.
If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us. And also, while you're at it, take a look at some of the great perks we've pulled together. I think you'll like them. And we thank you very much for your time and consideration. So please, check out our campaign, like us on Facebook, and visit our website.
Hi, we are the team behind Prosthesis Covers. My name is Atanas, and this is Georgi. The story of our company started with a present for a friend. He is below the knee amputee and also his fitness instructor. One day he shared with us that he didn't like how his prosthesis looks like. That got us thinking, can we use our 3D printers to change that? And after a few prototypes, the first prosthesis cover was created. When we showed it to him, his reaction was so inspiring that we started a company. We make beautiful prosthetic covers for leg amputees. They're 3D printed and they mirror the shape of the healthy leg. We use a special lightweight and yet very durable material. Each cover is a custom piece that is tailored to fit perfectly. We take measurements remotely using a technology called photogrammetry. Our clients tell us what they like, and then we make a design for them that matches their taste and lifestyle.
There is a problem with these covers. They are very expensive and not many people can afford them. This is why we found a way to reduce the price. It will be covered by most national healthcare systems.
Essentially, our covers can be treated just like clothes. If you wear something that fits you well, that you like how it looks on you, you're gonna feel great. It reflects your image and how you see yourself and how other people perceive you. So in that sense, an Prosthesis cover is just like an awesome tailored suit. The cover is attached to the prosthesis using special belts with anti-slip surface. They are also very easy to tighten. You can put the cover on and off as easily as changing clothes. One of the greatest features of our covers is the ability to replace the front panels. Once you have a whole cover, you can purchase additional panels on half the price with different design and then change them according to the situation in seconds.
The front panel attached to the back side of the cover using magnets that click together super tightly. We place the magnets in a specific way in order to ensure that they stay stable in any situation and under a lot of load. Our first collection will have a few predefined designs. You can customize them with patterns or a picture which you love. We need your help. We will use the funds to complete production and to expand our prosthetic clinic network, so it will be easy for everyone to get an Prosthesis.
You can help us by sharing us, getting a perk, donating. It will make a world of difference for us. Thank you for watching and for your support.